profitable fashion label on a shoestring budget. You don't need a lot of cash to do this. Now, along the way today, I'm going to give you a whole heap of really valuable steps and have a little bit of fun along the way, and also some secret steps that only the industry professionals know. And I'm going to reveal them to you, so make sure you stay for the whole. Now, step 2 out of the 8 steps of launching your own successful fashion label is to find a good manufacturer. Now, a bulk supplier will deliver your designs for a very cost-effective price. This allows you to profit, and the more you sell, the more money you make. So individual costing per garment from the manufacturer should be around 25% of your retail price. Now, what I'm going to reveal to you is the maths behind the successful fashion labels. A lot of people don't know this. So a normal retail price is referred to as 100%. So if we'll use a dress as an example. If you were to design a dress and you want to sell it in a retail store for $100, this is what the client will pay. You will need to find a manufacturer to make the dress for around $25. So that's 25%. So here is an example of a wedding dress and how it all works. So if the retail price that you have researched on your target market, they're willing to spend, for example, $1,000 on a wedding dress. So you position it just under $1,000. So this is how much the stores will be selling to the customer for. The wholesale price will then be 50% of this. This is $497. Now, the price that you will get, that you want to get from your wholesale manufacturer when you're actually inquiring about the pricing, is you want to get a target price from your manufacturer of $249. So this is 25% of the retail price, which is $995. Now, how much you make out of this sale is $249. So you make 25% of the retail price. Now, this is very industry standards across the board, no matter what label you do, whether it's accessories, children's wear, youth wear, corporate, high-end designer, or, you know, the low-end fast fashion. It's all the same. So the retailer makes $497 out of this price. Now, a lot of you might be thinking, hang on, the retailer who's selling my design is making double what I make. Yes, that's right, but retailers have a very high overhead expense of running a store. They have shop rents that are quite often costing them a couple of $1,000 per week to run. They have store staff, electricity, stock, everything like that. So you don't have a lot of those overheads, so that is why you only get 25% of the sale. So here is the secret maths behind making a profitable range, and this is where the big money comes into place. So if you were to present your wedding dress to 10 retail stores, their buyers, and they each buy 10 dresses, so it's not a lot of stock for them. This is 100 dresses in total that you will sell. Now, if you were to make $249 per dress, this is $24,975. Not bad for one design, I can tell you, not bad at all. And that's really only over 10 stores, which is quite achievable. But here's the really, really interesting and exciting thing. This is where the big money is. If you had 5 dresses in each range and had 4 seasons per year, so this is a little bit more realistic, of 5 dresses in the range, maybe different colors, and you had 4 seasons a year, summer, winter, autumn, spring, you make just under $25,000 per style. There's 5 styles in the range, which is $124,000, yes. And if you had 4 seasons per year, this is a total of just under $500,000 per year. Now, that is where the big money is, and this is how you achieve fashion design success when launching your own fashion label. And it's really not that hard to do if you know how. So let's just give you another example. Here's an example of children's wear. If the average retail price is $59.95, the wholesale price would be half of that, so $29. The cost price would be around $15. So you will make $15 per garment. Now, if you have 10 pieces in each range, which I recommend that you do, you need to at least have about 10 to 15 pieces per range. You will sell, and if you sold 10 pieces of each garment to 10 different stores and the buyers of those stores, this is a 10 by 10 by 10 times how much you make per garment. This is just under $15,000 per range. And if you were to do that over 4 ranges per year, quite amazing money.